Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's creating a lot of stir because apparently it's showing up in a lot of email boxes, and it is basically a redesigned scam that exists since at least 2018, which is what we call sextortion scams, which is, in this case, saying that your partner has cheated on you and that there's proof. So the new one is very sophisticated, and a lot of security researchers are wondering where the data is coming from. Is there a data breach somewhere that they have information? So the message that comes up says hello, and there's a name, then it says wife's name. So, for example, if you're a guy, you might have your wife's name there. Says it's cheating on you. Here's a proof. As a company engaged in cybersecurity, we found information related to your wife's name again that interests you. We made a full backup of his disk or all the info. We have all the address books, social media history, viewing sites, dating sites, phone numbers, and so on, and are willing to give you full access to this data. For more details, visit our website, and there's a link. So basically, it finds information. I mean, these are not necessarily secret information, especially if you're married. There's a lot of websites that have all sorts of personal details of all the information. So you could easily find, say, someone's, partner's name and so on. Now, of course, this is fake, and unfortunately, there's a lot of people out there that don't trust their partners. So this is just amplifies the problem. And basically, what happens is if you click the website, it asks you for money, which you will pay, but never get any info because they don't have any proof of anything. But what makes this more delicate is the fact that they found a way to get quite a few personal details that will make that person really think that this is true, because who else knows about, my partner's name and so on. Don't fall for it. Do not pay. It is totally fake, but it is really circulating a lot lately. So this is really the latest big scam in email. Once again, we say it again and again. The number one way to get scammed is still today email. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.